Alright, so I'm on the tracks near the place where I live, and I'm gonna test the GoPro Hero 7 Hyper Smooth in combination with my Zhiyun Smooth 3 gimbal. I'm gonna try and run a 100-meter dash. It's probably gonna end up being a 60-meter dash, but whatever. Also, just for fun, because I always wanted to use this, I'm gonna wear my Hero 6 with this chest strap here. Reason for this video, the main reason it was requested, is Hero 7 using Hyper Smooth in combination with a gimbal. Let's start walking, stretching the hammies a little, and then once I feel at least halfway decently ready to go, I'll give it a shot. I try to excel at a very low level, okay. And I'm also pretty interested in the results, to be honest, because it should be pretty awesome, right? Okay, so I was walking, now let's jog a little. Let's just see how that goes. Let's go this way. See how well it does. Ooh, ah. Little basketball court, 1-on-1, 2-on-2. Overall, nice day to go for a run. Oh yeah, by the way, now walking, this is the Mark III gimbal setup. Announced back when I had a GoPro Hero 4, developed while I had a 5, finished while I had a 6, and now working with a 7. Let's put that down somewhere near the track. There's nobody here. I kind of sneaked in. I'm just gonna start standing. It's the easiest way to go. Okay, so just a quick test start. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah. Oh yeah, can feel the hammies. Next one, a little longer and a little faster this time. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Whew. Yeah. All right. The Hero 6 on this chest strap right here, it's probably not doing too well. But I'm getting the idea, at least that's the way it feels to me, that the Hyper Smooth on the gimbal is doing really well. Huh? Okay. If it's too shaky, the gimbal has problems keeping the horizon, but that's all the up and down. That's understandable. This is it. I'm gonna give it all that I got, and probably I'm not gonna do a second run because oh, this is so long, and I know that halfway I'm gonna be toast. So let's get all my shit together. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man. Okay. Some trouble with the horizon, but nothing that can't be corrected. Let's find a nice place to review the footage. Probably back there in the shade is a good choice. Okay, now I just took a look at the footage of the last run, the fastest one, and basically my verdict is incredible. I mean, jogging, medium pace, fast pace, basically the same performance. Really, really good. So if you're looking for excellent stabilization, combining Hyper Smooth with a gimbal such as the Zhiyun Smooth 3, will get you great results, even if you're running as fast as you can. Except if you're running a lot faster than me, but if you're running about this fast, as you could see, great stabilization, incredible stabilization actually. So, if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description below. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.